this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Kraken wallet. So, on the Kraken website, as you can see in here on my portfolio value, I have a zero balance in here. So, you can just click this transfer if you want to add a money or withdraw a money. So, click this transfer section and then click this deposit. So make sure you are verified in here in order to add a money here in your Kraken wallet. So assuming we are verified. So you will be able to see in here your list of bank accounts that you can use to deposit money here in Kraken wallet. So once you've decided which bank accounts or e-wallets you are going to use, just simply click on that and then you will be proceeding to the deposit process and then select a balance and that's it. That's how to add money here in Kraken. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.